Some plastics including formulations of spun-bonded polyolefin are intended for use in temperature sterilization processes. A high B low. The correct answer is option B. Which of the following sterilization quality assurance measurements is designed to provide a written record of sterilizer cycle activity? A. Biological tests. B. Bowie-Dick tests. C. Mechanical recording charts/printouts. The correct answer is option C. Paper plastic pouches should not be labeled on the underscore side of the pouch. A. Paper. B. Plastic. The correct answer is option A. Tests which use live bacterial spores to challenge the efficacy of the sterilization process and provide a direct measure of lethality are called A. Chemical indicator tests. B. Biological tests. C. Ampulization tests. The correct answer is option B.